Did you know gorillas share 98% of their DNA with humans? Yet, they are critically endangered, mostly because of us. Their forests are being destroyed for farming, logging, and mining. That means they are losing their homes. They are also still being poached for meat and illegal trade. Baby gorillas are sometimes captured as pets, and their families are often killed. Gorillas can even catch human diseases, like the flu or COVID-19, which can be deadly for them. In places like Congo and Rwanda, they also live in conflict zones, making protection very difficult. But there is hope. Thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly increasing. There are now just over 1,000 mountain gorillas, compared to less than 300 in the 1980s. Protection works. And these gentle giants need it more than ever.